Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you how to get Rex in Dark War Survival. To get Rex, Catherine's loyal dog in Dark War Survival, you'll need to collect Catherine and Rex fragments. You can earn these fragments by participating in events or purchasing them directly in the game. Catherine herself is unlocked for free after completing a few storyline levels. Once you have Catherine, you can press the heal button and purchase the antivirus serum for about $20 or the equivalent in your currency. This serum removes the zombie virus and upgrades Catherine into the powerful Catherine and Rex S tier hero. If you happen to collect legendary fragments, you can also transform those into Catherine and Rex. So the key is gathering fragments through events or purchases to unlock this unique duo and enhance your gameplay. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.